Alright, hello everyone. Thanks for coming back to my channel. So today I'm just going to go over the trade that I placed today in futures. Yes, I'm back at doing futures. I don't want to say for good, but for now, for a long time, I'm going to be doing futures. One, it's cheaper. I have bigger capital to exercise with, especially with this trend line strategy. I feel like options, the theta and the delta was just, the time decay was just killing me, man. And I was trying to do swing trading and it was good, but the strategy that I had was really just incorporated for futures, and there was a lot of there were a lot of factors to conjunctions to think about it. So doing this trend line strategy, if you followed me for a while, in a few videos back, you would see that I actually used to do a trend line strategy with support and resistance, and I was honestly really good at it. I don't know why I stopped, but we're continuing almost 2 years later. So yeah, I feel like this has just been, I don't know, I've seen some gains with this one so far. So let's just, yeah. So as we see in this point here, we have a touch point here and a touch point here. And on this, we already have two touch points. We have a touch point over here. Ooh. And then a touch point over here. So if we get a third, wonderful, we break out. If we get a third on both sides, basically we break out and go in for the trade. So yeah, let's see. I'm on the 1 hour in here. So I was waiting for market to open to see how price would behave. My internet is currently trash right now. Okay, so we see that there is a move right here. And I got in at this well, technically I missed I missed the candle, but I was going in so that I could take profit right here. But I was also going for 300 ticks because I wanted to get 1500, which is terrible. I should have just, taken profit where I could. But I'll show you my top step. I actually entered here at the first take profit, which was terrible. But let me show you what I was supposed to take, because I slept through this, guys. Come on, look. 3 o'clock in the morning. Like, that was so annoying. But yeah, ideally, I would... Okay, so ideally, let me show you the exact trade that I took. So I legitimately took the trade when price broke here. And then when it came all the way back down here, I went in for 300 ticks. Let me go back to show you what you're supposed to do when you get a breakout like this. So I would go in for a buy. And truthfully, my take profit would be right here. That's supposed to be my take profit, okay? So as price goes. And then if you want to gauge for your take profit as well, you can gauge with so much leverage here so that you could save on as much as you can. I mean, this one's a bit of a stretch, but yeah, I would go in. Like, this is like the ideal trade that I would take. And I believe I actually capped out over here in my actual trading combine. Actually, no. I think I capped out here because, yeah, this is where I capped out. But just imagine if I had stayed in, like, bro. And if I still wanted to keep more of my profits, I really would have, because I'm doing day trading with this, because prop firms don't let you do swing trading. I'm telling you, I would have taken my profits right here, okay? Right there and there. But because there's also still potential for price to continue and exit here, honestly, I would just take profit here. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, I would have just taken profit if price started to get out of this zone. But we see that price continued to go up. and boom, bam. That's where I would have gotten out because it just broke that line and it broke off this basic resistance. So, yeah, that was my trade for today, actually. Let me show you in my top step. Don't mind this other stuff. I actually want to clean it up. And I'm trying to see if I can clean it up through here, but I don't know. I forget there's a way to do it, but whatever. Yeah, that's my, let me just delete these. I wonder if I can remove everything. Don't mind this. I was testing out, I was just testing out stuff here. Terrible idea. But yeah, this is the trade basically. So I was in the 15-minute, honestly, but for that amount of take profit, I should have just stayed in the 1 hour time frame. But because I'm day trading, it's best to just do it in the 5-minute because, you know, even though you're seeing all this choppiness, it's low-key annoying. But yeah, I got in at this zone. Well, obviously you can see. I got in over here. Let me change that to white because that yellow/orange is ugly. And then I exited right here. Yeah, literally. And I'm working on passing this combine. So we shall see if we pass it. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for everyone for joining the Discord. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I will see you tomorrow. All right. Bye.